What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are just loaded up here at the Precast plant to head to Long Island. So it's going to be rainy tonight, so truck will be getting dirty here shortly, but we'll be heading to Long Island later tonight. Well, we're loaded up. Let's head on back to the shop and call it quits for today, and then we'll be leaving around 12 o'clock tonight. So stay tuned, enjoy the video. Loaded up and all, so see if we can get a few hours of sleep. If anybody wants a hat, I still got I think one of these, a green one, green and black one, and a couple black and gray ones left. So still a few available. Thanks to those who already bought some, much appreciated. So all you got to do is click below the video here and they're available on there. And also, you guys, I never really mentioned my social media. I do have Instagram and Facebook, and don't post a whole lot, but I'm going to try to do better with that, so you can follow me on there. Like I told you guys at the end of my video last week, we were at a friend's cabin this past weekend, and I'm going to actually put that link below if you're interested, because it's he turned it into an Airbnb. Did a lot of good work to it, and so if you want to visit Liverpool, PA, click the link below. I'll put a link in there for his Airbnb. Got a pond. It's beautiful. Anyway, this weekend we had some time to chill and stuff. My wife and I were chatting a little bit, and I was asking her. I said, you know, how do you like the me doing videos by now? Because sometimes I get home, I spend time editing. I try not to do that. But sometimes I spend time editing and, you know, getting the videos ready and responding to you guys, commenting and all that stuff. I said, are you still good with it? Like, how's this working out? She was like, if that's what you want to do and you want to continue to pursue that, you know, she was like, keep right on going. So I appreciated that. I'm going to try to do a little better with, you know, I try to bring you guys a video every Friday, a 30-40 minute video. I'm going to try to put a short clip together at the beginning of each week, or maybe on a Tuesday night or something, which here on YouTube it's known as a short, just a 60-second clip of maybe some loading and unloading, I don't know, something, or of the truck. But I'm going to try to be a little more active on social media, because I was talking to my wife about it. She said, you know, I mean, if this is what you want to do, you want to continue to pursue this, dive in. So, you know, I don't really have any other hobbies. I've told you guys this before, but I don't really have any other hobbies. This is what I do outside of my home time and family time and stuff. It is trucking. you know, driving truck, working on trucks, polishing trucks, truck shows. Can't wait for that once it gets warm. So all of that, you know, it's my hobby. It's what I do. Trucks is my hobby. I don't do much else really. So I'm going to continue to post videos as best as I can, post content that you guys like and all that. And you know, if anybody's ever interested in partnerships or you know, working together with a certain product, whatever it is, just email me. My email is always available in my bio. So I did have somebody reach out to me. It was like, I'd like to, I was wondering if I'm interested in a partnership. I said, well, I'm not really interested in that right now with what he had to offer. So he said, well, how about I send you some apparel, a hat and a shirt, keychain, whatever it was. I'm like, hey, go ahead, sure, I'll wear it. So that's another way I can advertise your company. And also I'm going to keep advertising parts, products that I use and things like that. I will keep sharing that stuff as well, you know, even though there's no paid partnerships at this point. But anyway, thanks for tuning into this video again. Enough of jabber. Let's go get a couple hours of sleep and head to Long Island. All right, we're fixing to head out, and there's 3 other guys. I think Andy, Clyde, and Jerry are heading up as well at 12 o'clock. It's either 11 or 12 o'clock. I got to give Jerry a call and see what they got in mind. So we'll be cruising up with them. See you in the morning. Good morning. We're back in the fuel island here. Just getting everything filled up. So like I told you guys, we're heading up to Long Island with these walls up to the Belmont Stakes, believe it or not. Famous horse racing track up there in Long Island, New York. So it's not real far. I mean, you know, it's not terrible, but it's just the whole thing of beating the traffic. $3.99. The whole thing of, you know, beating the traffic and all. So got everything strapped up. No chains on this stuff. No chains, straps. So we got edge protectors here and up there. But anyway, I'm gonna put some Rain-X on the windows yet because it's gonna be a wet one. And then Clyde's behind us.
Yep, driving in luxury today.
I got in between them somehow. I was filling up with fuel. I was filling up with fuel and then I got in between them.
I know, just making an observation.
So it's raining now, but
yeah, I don't have to look tomorrow with it.
Telling you guys yesterday, talking about how you know, my wife supports me so well and all that with doing these videos. I don't know how many you know, local supporters I have, but I know there's some of you guys, and if you're from the 717, you're from the area here, give me a thumbs up in the comments or a comment. I would love to know how much support I have locally, because you know, I don't have a whole lot of friends trucking, no close friends. And so when I go to truck shows, and all the relationships I've built through just sharing my content on social media has really been a huge blessing to me. I mean, like I said, I don't have a lot of close friends that drive, you know, that are into trucking, so it's the friends I make along the way, you know, in trucking that, you know, that really mean a lot to me. So yeah, I appreciate all you guys, and I know I've met quite a few of you all at truck shows and different places, and it's all through social media, a lot of them. So I don't know how many of you guys watching here are going to the MATS this year, to the Mid-American Truck Show, but I'm not positive yet if I'm going to be going. I don't know. If I can find somebody that wants to go, I might go down just for 2 days or something, but not sure yet. Depends how work is around that time. If it's still, you know, a little slow, I might go down. We'll see. If things pick up and it gets real busy, I might skip it this year. But yeah, we'll see. So like I said, if you're from the 717, feel free to drop a thumbs up in the comment, or, you know, comment whatever you want. But like I said, I know there's some of you watching, but I don't know how much support I have locally here. So anyway, we are still on 222 here, and guys were chatting here. Apparently they've been coming up mornings. There was like 20 something loads that came up. I think these are the last ones. They've been coming up mornings, like early mornings, leaving at 12, 1 o'clock, because they're not allowed to be here working and unloading after 5:30 a.m. So that's why they're doing it this way. That actually makes it really nice, because nobody wants to be driving into Long Island during the day. So this whole thing works out really, really well for everybody. Kind of crazy having thunderstorms in February. It's not very normal around here. Supposed to be like 65 degrees today.
Yeah, but we were having issues. It was in the truck earlier, but yeah, I went to the shop and pulled in the driveway and double checked, and they started working again.
Ain't doing a whole lot for this heavy rain. We just passed another local guy back there, as you guys seen as we went through the light there. Nice white 359 all in lumber. I think they just got that truck recently, but I'm not positive. That's another local, that's another 717 truck. So there is 6 of us cruising together now. With their 4-ways on, going down the road at 30 miles an hour, which is making things even more dangerous. In the left lane with the 4-ways on. Pretty hard to see right now, so I can't blame him, but if you're scared, then, you know, pull over. That's dangerous, doing what he's doing there. Pulling over. According to Jerry, it's not a real big storm, the one that's hitting us now, but it's just moving very fast, and it's just kind of moving with us, I guess. I don't know. He said it's just a small storm on the radar. Coming up beside us here, a load of mowers. We kind of decided to stay in the middle lane here for now because so many people were pulled over, keep coming up on a slow truck and things like that, so hanging out in the center lane right now. Got Javen coming up beside us with the 359, hauling some lumber. I think he drives for QVR. I love that truck. 359 flat top. Can't go wrong with that look. you guys are okay with all this driving time. A lot of driving time on this video.
This is a rough bridge.
We're going to be getting back and hoping to replace some coolant hoses when we get back, and then we got to load up, go to Virginia. So we're going down delivering to a what looks to be a horse farm. I'll let Clyde come on by me and then.
Yeah, we're gonna get over here. Yeah, I see it.
Ah, this is so rough, man. Crazy. Crazy. Ridiculous. It stops raining like this for a while till we get this unloaded. Sure would be nice. But it is supposed to rain hard pretty much all day. So we'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky. Because it kind of stopped raining for the most part now. Except for some drizzle. Man, look at this massive ship. Jerry getting in place. I think I might be unloading first, I'm not sure. We're gonna back right in there beside him, and I just lost tail lights according to Clyde, so not sure what's going on, but hopefully it's just a fuse or something like that. We'll figure it out. Jerry's over there getting straps off. We're over here getting unloaded. Trying to figure out why my tail lights shut off, but I think there might be water in the glass lights there. I'm not sure what's going on. It's the only thing I can think of. That's nice of him. He's taking the straps off for Andy. Andy's running the crane. So I gotta get these 2x4s off yet. We're just gonna put them on Jerry's trailer. Put new pipe, new stacks on there. It looks great. Gonna park over here and try to figure out what's wrong with my lights. Can't go back without tail lights. Clyde in his spare truck there, he's getting his redone. Like I said before, can't wait till that's done to see that project finished. Let's go get these 2x4s off and we're out of here. Working again. I am not really sure what happened, to be honest with you.
Yeah, my slicer just keep rolling. We got to get back to the shop and get this issue figured out, which today was kind of going to be a shop day anyway, at least for a few hours when I get back, and then I was just going to go home since I was up at 11 and I slept 2 hours. But yep, we had this wiring issue figured out. Here in the left lane, passing around. Whatever. There's like 3 or 4 of them there in the middle lane. ago with the day cab. I was coming out right in this stretch right here, between the scale house here and the state line, and yeah, they were two of them sitting in the median just waiting for that.
Yeah. I know some other guys that got picked off for that.
So I think we're going to be heading to our first truck show of the year in May. You know, I'm saying, when I say that, I'm saying attending, you know, with the truck and the family. There's a benefit fundraiser for a young man and his family. He's been struggling, I guess, with a few different things. I think it started out as a Lyme's disease or something. I don't know him personally, but he's been driving for a while for New Holland Transport. So you can look them up. I think the fundraiser flyer, whatever you want to call it, I think it's on their Facebook page. I think it's New Holland Transport is what it's under. And so I'll see if I can, maybe I can just put a picture on here or something, but it sounds like a fun event. And like I said, it's a fundraiser. It's on May 11th, and I looked, it is the day before the Mother's Day Make-A-Wish truck convoy, which we're planning to attend again as well. So might get the truck cleaned up for 2 days of show and shine. We'll see. But anyway, if anybody's interested in that and you haven't heard about it, why, I don't think there's any pre-registration or anything like that. It's all, you know, you just show up, register the day of. Bobtail only, no trailers. So good food, kids activities, all that fun stuff. So anyway, I'll show you guys the picture of the flyer for that, and if anybody's interested, well, you know, there you go, your first truck show of the year. So Clyde cruised home with us. He's back there behind us still. And as far as my lights are concerned on the trailer, he said everything's working except the running lights in the back, just the tail lights. The running lights, the marker lights are all working. The brake lights work. The turn signals work. Literally everything works except the tail lights. So it wasn't too bad. We got out of the city just so we're out of there before, you know, it gets too crazy. And then, you know, I had my four-ways on the whole time, and he was right behind me just to help me get out of the city. And then, well, by then it was, you know, starting to get daylight. So I just turned my four-ways off. Like I said, I got brake lights and all that, just not four-way running lights. Look at that nice Kenworth. Anyway, I was getting all mixed up there, but the other thing I don't have is running tail lights. And of course it's on a dreary day, you know, but we're almost home now. Gotta get that issue fixed up, and then tomorrow we load up and head on down to Virginia. We'll probably be out overnight, Thursday night, but we'll be having a good time today, get some sleep, and then hopefully we get this issue fixed and ready to get back on the road. Oh, yeah, we'll see you around there, Clyde. Thanks for sticking with me through that.
Yes, you're headed to the shop.
Yeah, heading back to the shop now.
Have fun, Matt.
I didn't see you. Where were you?
Coming down Ink Farmers Hill here. Yeah. I'm sitting on the south side watching Clyde make a truck back up.
Yeah, that's cool.
And just teaching four-wheelers where the white line is. Hey, did didn't teach him anything, he's right back up in it again.
I've only given him the train arm, but I figured it ain't gonna help anything. Hey, yeah, good looking Kenworth there, by the way.
Yeah, no worries, man. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Alrighty, folks. Well, that's going to be it for this video. We're back at the shop here, and Roman's gone. He's got a busy week this week. Sam actually did run last night. I got here at 11:30 last night, and Sam had just gotten back with the equipment truck because that's been real busy this week. So anyway, I parked along the shop here. I'm just gonna rinse this dirt and mud off here real quick, this rain dust, and then we're gonna pull it in the shop and get this issue figured out. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.